Hello and welcome back to Woody's Kitchen. Today I'm back with a caldo recipe. This is a simple caldo recipe with just a few ingredients and the taste is incredible. Okay, if you want to know how this is achieved, stay tuned as I show you step by step how to go about it. If you're new to my channel, I'm saying a very warm welcome. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family as I upload videos every Saturday. So we're gonna be enjoying this with rice and some spinach puree with some lemon and okra. Okay, it is delicious, it is healthy. Okay, you can never go wrong with it if you love spicy food. Okay, so before we waste any more time, let's get into it. So on my ingredient list, I have here 1 diced onion, some spring onions, green bell peppers, garlic, habanaro pepper, 1 maggie seasoning, some oil, just a little bit of oil, black pepper, and finally my fish. So I'm using these 2 different types of fish, and they're already cleaned, marinated in adobo seasoning and lemon juice. Just adobo seasoning and lemon juice. You can use salt and lemon juice as well. So these are the only ingredients that we need, and I'm going to be throwing in some okra. Okay, just the vegetable that I throw in the stew. Okay, so I like it spicy and I'm using 2 habanaro peppers. Okay, these ingredients are dependent on the amount of people you're cooking for. Okay, so I'm gonna blend all these ingredients with the black pepper. Okay, all my ingredients are in the blender. Close it up and blend it. We just want to pulse this. You don't want it completely blended. There you have it. So with my pot set, I add in some oil, just a little bit of oil. We're only using this to fry our onions or the blended ingredients. The oil is hot enough. Scoop in the blended ingredients. Bismillah. We're going to fry this until it is golden brown. So as you can see, there's hardly any oil in it. Okay, we're just going to continue frying until it gets golden brown and it's set. It's all set now, so I add in some water. You add water enough to cook the fish. Okay. There you go. And in goes our fish and the okra with the lemon juice and everything. Okay. If the lemon is less, we're gonna add more lemon juice as well. There you go. I've added enough water to cook the fish. All I'm gonna do now is cover it up. That way the steam cooks the fish all throughout. The water is reducing a little bit. Now I'm going to add in some more lemon juice. It's a spicy dish, so the more lemon and pepper, the better. Okay. Add in the lemon juice to your taste. Cover it back up and let it simmer down. There you have it. Our caldo has simmered down to the consistency that we want, and it's looking so beautiful and delicious. Today my shout outs go to my lovely wife Fatima. You've been great following my channel, and this is for you as it is one of your favorites. Okay, it also goes to my neighborhood friends, you know, the Sankos family. You guys have been great. My Ndedike, my Jame, you know, the Jame family. You guys have been wonderful supporting my channel. Sei, Sally, Sajo. You guys have been great. Olimatu, you know, Madeline. You guys have been great following my channel. Not forgetting Jari, you know, the whole of Sanko Fans Club. You know, I can't name names, you know, as the wall of Seku Lim Jum. But you guys have all been great supporting my channel, and thank you guys so much. Until we meet next Saturday, bye bye.